everyone, it's Catherine with Adore Perfect Pups, and today here I have Marlowe and Miles F1B Cavapoo Puppies. These little guys were born September 13th, 2025. Right now they are 5.5 weeks. And we're just gonna go over the puppies. It's their name day video. This one's wearing the yellow collar. This is Zoe. She is a beautiful dark ruby. Absolutely beautiful coloring. She has a really petite face. Just a little bit of white hairs, but she is mostly solid ruby. Really beautiful color. She's 2.5 pounds. And that's Ruby. And next we have this is the darker pink collar. This one is Zara. She has beautiful kind of like apricot and white markings. She's a little bit lighter than the ruby. She almost has the frost tips. Let me show you the difference in her brother. There's one more lighter color one. This is her brother, Zippy. He's got more of a frosted color. So let's get Zara's weight. 2.5 pounds. Great. And next we have, this is one of the smallest puppies in the litter. She's wearing the purple collar. This is Zelda. Little Zelda. Beautiful ruby color coat. Her weight. She is 1.9 pounds. We have another one hiding back here. This is the light pink collar. This is Zaya. She has a beautiful coat color. She has kind of a more frosted tips, white markings. Absolutely beautiful. And again, you guys, these are F1B Cavapoo puppies. She is 3.3 pounds. She's a little more chunky. Oh. And we have another puppy. This is the boy. This is Zippy. He's wearing the blue collar. Check him out. Look at his coat. I love this color. He has the frosted tips. Check him out. And Zippy weighs 3.8 pounds. And these little guys, they're only 5.5 weeks old. Based on the parent size, they're expected to be between 12 and 17 pounds. Both parents are genetic tested, they're OFA tested. So these little guys are pretty special. And if you'd like some more information, you can check out our website. It's adoreperfectpups.com. And don't forget to like and follow our social media pages on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you for watching.